Welcome friends. In this video we are going to discuss about Python strings. Already we first video we discussed beginnings of the Python string. This is the part 2 video. If you are not watching part 1 video, go and first watch the first part 1 video, then come to this video. So now this is for part 2 video. So here strings are called as arrays. Fine. Strings are also placed like an array. What is array? Array is a collection of similar types of element. If you learn array, if you are here the array first time in Python and you are not learning C, C++ or Java, any other programming language before Python, then it is the new word for you. Okay, if the students are already learn arrays in previous programming languages, then it is very easy to understand. So what is array? Array is the collection of similar types of element or similar types. Okay, so string is also behaves like an array because strings is a collection of characters and it is the one form. So that's why strings are behaves like an array. If you want to access array, so accessing the array by help of indices. So inside a variable, if the string is assigned to the one variable and you want to access a single character, how could you access? So see, here is the example. Print a is the name of that particular array, string array, and the 1 is the index name or index number of that particular string array. Within that particular string array there is a index 1 that is belongs to one character and it is going to be print here. So how it plays, how it behaves differently or similar to the arrays or different in programming languages. So let's see in practical. Okay, then next we have covered this entire PPT, then go for the practical. Loops. Okay, it is very important because strings are array. Okay, Python strings is also called as an array. So you can running as a string run as inside a loop. Okay, so strings are arrays, so we can loop through the characters of the string with a for loop. Okay, you can also use the while loop also. So this is the syntax of for loop. If you are not understand how the for loop works, upcoming time we also making the video for loop, while loop, do while loop, nested for loop, nested while loop, nested do while loop, all the loops which are behaves like a C, C++, Java like programming language for loops, but syntactically it's here is different. Okay, so this is called a for each loop. Okay, this is not pure for loop, this is also called a for each loop. Then string length. Okay, this is the length of the function. There is a print length which is returned to the particular variable string length. The next, members operator. What is members operator? If the particular string is present inside that another string or not, you have to check that string. Here returns true and the false form. If the present, it returns the true boolean value. If not present, it returns the false boolean value. Okay, so how it plays? So all the things we are go for the practical, you understand better on there. And this is the not in, that is reverse of the in. If there is a present, it returns the true. If there is not a present, it returns the false. The not in, it returns the, if your condition satisfied, then returns true. If your condition is not satisfied, returns false. Fine. So let's start practical work. Okay, fine. So first we go for the string placed like an array. Okay, strings placed like an array. How? So let's here. So first we have go for the string array. Fine. So here I am going to declare one string hello world. Hello world. Fine. So print a of 1. Okay, here returns e, that's in a block letter e. Okay, I write here e in a block letter, that's why it is returns to you in uppercase a block letter a. Okay, and if you want to range of data, you are going to be print. from 1 to 5. Okay, this is a range. You upcoming time you read this particular concept, you learn this particular concept, how it works and behaves. This is the range of characters are going to be print from beginning from 1 and excluding the end of the index 1 2 3 4. Here 1 2 3 4 and the 5 index is going to be excluded. 1 2 3 4, 5 is the space, it is going to be excluded. Last index is going to be excluded, you remember that. Here is the space usually hit, that's why not there is a rule is the rule is mentioned here, that is last index is going to be excluded. Okay, if you go for the 6, okay, it is generally helps you take the character as a space, but here space is not going to be printed, that's why. Fine. So here how string array is going to be play. Then next, loop. Okay, loop of string, how string plays in a loop. So for a in QWERTY keypad, okay, you directly declare the string here, otherwise you can assign this string value to one variable, then run the print a. Okay, so here how it is going to be play. See, QWERTY keypad, there is a 1 character is going to be print. If you want to print in a single line, add the here end. Okay, add here end and assign double quote here or single quote here, and it is helps you to concatenate one character to going to be print to another character. Okay, the QWERTY keypad is going to be print and it does not create a new line. Okay, the previous print is print the new line, each character is going to be print in another new line. Okay, this is the concept of loop. If you want another way, so first assign that variable, suppose x equal to welcome to home. Okay, then for a in x colon print a. Okay, print a and equal to, fine. So here we can assign the string to the another variable and then start going to be print. And here welcome to home is concatenate with the previous string, that is QWERTY keypad. Okay, so if you want to, here first you have to new line print. Okay, this print is create a new line, then it is going to be next line. Okay, fine. Understood how the print is going to be work for, and the string is works in a loop, inside the loop with variable or at the time of loop variable inside the string variable or at the time which string declares inside the loop. The next, strings array is completed, loops is completed, then the length, we calculate the length of the string. Okay, so in previous variable there is a x is declared, I will take that variable len and there is x. Okay, it returns you 15. Okay, here before print you print, it creates a new line, then 15. Here you can write another way, comma double quote string length. Okay, so when you're going to be print here, it will shows you string length 15, string length 15. Fine. Just like if you learn in C++, there is a format strings are there. Inside the C++, there is no format strings. In Java also there is a comma plus concatenate operator we are generally using here on there, but here we comma using. In C also we are using on there comma. Okay, fine. You only remember Python. Okay, don't go for the C, C++, Java, what are their writing instructions and how their instructions are play on in that particular languages. Forget about thing. You are learning Python, you concentrate on that Python. Okay, don't go for the other languages, because I know all the languages. That's why at the time of learning to teach to you, so I will some explanation given you how this particular concept plays in a C, C++, Java and how this concept plays in the Python. So you better understand. If you already learned that languages, then it's great for you. If you are not learning that languages, fine, you follow the rules on Python. Fine. So next we are go for the it's completed the length, then go for check in. Okay, check the string. Fine. How strings are checked or not checked. So first we are go for the in operator first. Okay, these are called the members operator. Okay, members operator. In, not in, not in. Okay, in upcoming time when you learn operators, you better understanding how these operators are going to be work. Here I will take as a text equal to learn programming from Lingaraj Tech Hub. Okay, and here if you print, that is a string called from, in text, if present, then it returns to true. That's a point. Okay, here text, not text. Okay, here not a text, it is a txt. Okay, that's why it creates the error, the name error, in not declared or defined. Yes, true. From is present. If I given as a changes the string name as a from 1, so here it returns the false. That's it. And if you want to do the same thing in a if statement, how it could like if from in text colon print. Okay, print present, else not present. Print not present. Okay, so when I go for run the code, present. Fine, this is the in operator. Then go for the not in. Okay, just play the same role. If from from 1, not in text, print absent, else print present. Fine. Okay, absent. From 1 is not present here. Okay, if you go for the from, I will write down it negative form. Okay, from is present inside the text, but here I am writing from not in text. So here is the present sense. Here the sense is of the from is present inside the text, but you are writing in the negative form. So it is comes to the else part and going to be print present. See, present. Okay, I complete all the points from string check-in and not in also, string length, loops and string array, length, loops, then length, then in operator, then not in operator. Okay, fine. If at the end, if you have any doubt in your mind, go through the comment box and type there. Please like, subscribe this channel, click on the bell icon and share also video. It will motivate me to making more and more videos. Okay, thank you.